Hi friends, welcome to my channel Career JEE. In this session, we are going to discuss how to score 80 plus in JEE Mathematics. Scoring 80 plus in JEE Mathematics is not a difficult task. In fact, it is an easiest task. So before going to this topic, please do subscribe, share and like my video. So what I am saying is, these are the most important chapters and more weightage chapters, and I will explain what are the subtopics which are important. And coming to the first one, statistics. Most of the questions asked from the statistics based on variance and standard deviation. And coming to second one, mathematical reasoning. It is the smallest chapter in JEE syllabus and very simple, and you can easily get it plus 4 marks. And coming to third one, matrices and dates. Most of the questions were asked from dates only. Please concentrate on determinants. And coming to fourth one, limits, continuity and differentiability. Limits, some of the undefined forms like 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity and 1 power infinity. And coming to continuity, continuity at a point. And coming to differentiability, differentiate it and substitute the point. So easily you can get answer, and these are important ones. And coming to conic, there are circles, parabola, hyperbola, ellipse. Most important one is circles, based on formulas only. Just once understand the concept and just do it the sums. And coming to sixth one, integration, definite and indefinite integrations. Indefinite integration is the inverse of differentiation. So please learn the indefinite integrations. And coming to seventh one, differential equations. There are 5 differential equations are there. The most important one is linear differential equation. Coming to areas, we have to know about the curve, upper curve minus lower curve. So these two chapters are most important chapters. If you don't have a concept of integrals, then you cannot get it these two chapters. Please learn integrals, then later you can easily get it. And coming to ninth one, 3D geometry, DCs, DRs, based on formulas only. Coming to vectors, lines, planes. So the most of the questions asked from angle between the two lines, angle between the plane and line. And coming to 11th one, complex numbers, conjugate complex numbers. These are easily only. And coming to 12th one, sequences and series, sum of the roots, and AP, GP, HP, AGP. These are the most important, and most of the questions asked from the sequence and series is based on formulas only. Coming to 13th one, quadratic equations, sum of the roots, product of the roots, based on formulas only. Please revise all formulas first of all. Coming to permutations and combinations, we have to know a basic knowledge of permutations and combinations. So easily you can get the remaining one is probability. So easily you can get probability, 1 plus 1 offer. Please concentrate on permutations and combinations so that you can easily get it probability. Coming to straight lines, based on formulas only. Perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines, based on formulas only. Please learn the formulas first of all. And coming to binomial theorem, like TR plus 1, we have some formulas. Please learn those formulas. And coming to trigonometry, this trigonometry useful in all these chapters. So please learn the concept of trigonometry, and we can convert 2D into 3D also. So please practice sums first of all. Practice is more important for mathematics. So these are the most important chapters which can give you plus 80 or more than that. So please do subscribe and like my video and share it. Thank you.